Wise and kind, was the protector, keeping everyone safe. Zara the zebra painted beautiful paths with her stripes, guiding animals to hidden magical places. Ella the elephant used her trunk to water the tallest trees, ensuring they flourished.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI-generated videos for free. Yes, completely free. Using a simple, powerful tool, you can turn your story text into vivid characters and dynamic scenes, which are then transformed into full-length videos. What's even better? You can create videos of any length, whether it's 10, 15, or even 20 minutes, with absolutely no cost. This is a game changer, especially if you want to produce high-quality content without spending a dime. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how to seamlessly combine these AI videos with your voiceover to ensure your content is 100% monetized, with zero hassle. Trust me, this is going to be a huge help for you. First things first, head over to ChatGPT, or any text generation tool you prefer, to get your script. Personally, I recommend ChatGPT because it's completely free and has an incredibly user-friendly interface. Remember, in this video, we're doing everything for free but aiming for the best possible results. Once you're on ChatGPT, enter this prompt, or choose one that fits your niche. So, my script read as follows. Write a 150-word fairy tale story in English, set in a mystical forest, where all the animals, including a lion, monkey, birds, elephant, zebra, and giraffe, help each other and live together happily. The story should be interesting, engaging, and capture the reader's imagination with vivid descriptions and a positive, heartwarming message. Make sure each animal contributes to the happiness and harmony of the mystical forest community. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of the prompt, but even better, you can check the description below for the exact prompt I used to generate the script for my story. Now, hit enter and watch the magic happen. Here's our script. It looks perfect to me. If you're not completely happy with it, no worries. You can easily ask ChatGPT to regenerate it as many times as you like until you get the script just right. For me, this script works, so I'm ready to move on to step 2. Now that we've got our script, it's time to create the voiceover. For this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. The great thing about ElevenLabs is that they offer a free tier with up to 10,000 words for generating audio, which is more than enough for most short videos. If you reach the limit, you can always sign up with a different email and keep going. And of course, if you're not a fan of the voices on ElevenLabs, there are plenty of alternative voice generation tools out there. I'm going to sign up quickly here, but don't worry. I'll save you the time since the process is super simple. Once you're logged in, paste your script and make a few tweaks like I'm doing here. This helps the software understand how to convey the right emotions in the voiceover. Next, browse through the library of available voices and choose the one that fits your project best. Personally, I'm going with Belinda, as I think her voice is perfect for narration. Once you've picked your voice, click Generate Speech and let the magic happen. If you're not happy with the output, you can always regenerate until you find a voiceover you love. Here's a snippet of the voiceover I generated.
In a mystical forest where sunlight danced through emerald leaves, all the animals lived in harmony. Leo the lion, wise and kind, was the protector, keeping everyone safe. Zara the zebra painted beautiful paths with her stripes, guiding animals to hidden magical places.
It sounds amazing. Now, if you're satisfied with yours, let's move on to the next step. Now that we have our script and voiceover ready, it's time to bring our video to life with images and animations. This is where LTX Studio comes in. It's an amazing tool that helps you visualize your content. And yes, it has a free tier that you can use when you sign up. The sign-up process is super simple. Just sign in with Google or your email. I'll be using email for this example. Once logged in, scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. For the setup questions, feel free to click anything, but personally, I selected AI Hobbyist, then Independent, and for the project type, I chose Short Film. After that, hit Done. Now you're in the project layout, and to get started, click on New Project. If you haven't created a script yet, you can start from scratch. But since we already have our script, we'll select Stick to the Script and paste the script we generated earlier with ChatGPT. Click Next to go to the Settings and Cast section. Here, you can name your project, adjust the aspect ratio, and even change the video style. For this video, I'm keeping the style as cinematic. If you have a reference image style you want the AI to follow, you can upload it here too. In less than a minute, the AI has already generated characters based on our script. You can also add any missing characters if needed. Once you're happy, click Next. Now you'll see a breakdown of the scenes, and from here, we can click Start. In just a few minutes, we have a fully developed storyboard with images, accompanying prompts, shot types, and even compositions. The images have loaded, and wow, they look fantastic, and really capture the scenes well. If you don't like any of the images, you can easily regenerate them. Next, click on Generate Motion for each image to create the animations. You can preview each motion video to see how it looks, and trust me, it's incredible. Once you're happy with all the animations, you can preview your video and download it by clicking the Share button. Here's a preview of our video. The preview might load a bit slowly as it renders everything together, but don't worry, the final video will play smoothly. So far, I'm really liking the output, and now we're ready to move on to the next step, combining this video with our voiceover from ElevenLabs. Now, let's jump into CapCut. The first thing we'll do is adjust the settings. Under Performance, turn on the proxy option to ensure smooth and fast editing. Then, go to Details and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match the video we created earlier. Next, import your audio from ElevenLabs and the video from LTX Studio, then place them on the timeline. Now, this next part is a bit tedious, so I'm going to save you some time. You'll need to listen to the audio and watch the video, then cut and move the audio clips so that the actions and scenes line up perfectly. You can zoom in and out of the audio track to make precise cuts and adjustments. Once you've moved everything around and ensured the voice matches the video, it's time to add some effects. My personal favorite is the vignette effect, which adds a subtle shadow around the edges of the video, giving it a cinematic look. Now, let's add captions. CapCut makes this process super simple. Once the captions are generated, don't forget to format them by choosing a suitable template and playing around with the colors to make them pop. I'm happy with how everything looks, so I'm ready to export my video. Since the video from LTX Studio already came with background music, I don't need to add any extra. But if you prefer your own music, CapCut makes it easy to add that too. So, let's have a look at the video we just created.
In a mystical forest where sunlight danced through emerald leaves, all the animals lived in harmony. Leo the lion, wise and kind, was the protector, keeping everyone safe. Zara the zebra painted beautiful paths with her stripes, guiding animals to hidden magical places. Ella the elephant used her trunk to water the tallest trees, ensuring they flourished. Mia the monkey swung from branch to branch, spreading laughter and joy with her playful tricks. Jera the giraffe, with her long neck, helped animals reach the highest fruits, sharing them with all. One day, a storm threatened the forest, but the animals worked together. Leo led the way, Mia cheered them on, and together they sheltered each other. When the storm passed, the forest was even more vibrant and the animals knew their bond was unbreakable. Harmony reigned forever.
So, that's all you have to do, and your video will be completely ready for upload on your brand new YouTube channel. See how simple it is? If you want to make such a story video, it is completely 100% monetizable, so why wait anymore? Go and create it. I will keep sharing such new AI tools with you. Until then, bye, and remember to subscribe, like, and share the video.